Yeah, me there again, my people. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. Me, Dancehall Skilla, watch a live recording that shows a person who some people on social media call Brittany. Some people even just call the same person Brit. See me I say? And even though the person, in my point of view, behave in certain ways that make me think that the person was not all totally okay at the time, the person said some words in the video that gave me the understanding that the person said or claimed that someone hit her, or in my point of view, at least one person hit her. The live recording shows at least one part of her face damaged with some red panties. And you know, and then we see other pieces of videos are posted on social media about the same person, Brittany. One of those videos when we see claim that police escort her out a party and all different type of allegations and assumptions and so forth. So I say, no, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a person. And more listen carefully to some words that this person said in this video, viewers and subscribers. In this video, you can hear the person that talk about Brittany or Brit, as all some people might say. In my point of view, the person that you can see and hear in this video that I'm about to present to you give his account pertaining to a situation that the person talk about in this video. So I listen to the words when I say and tell me what you think. You see me? You can't tell me if you believe or if you don't believe. It's up to you. But listen to some words of the person I say in this video and tell me what you think. Observe me, people.
Straight up, because we don't take bail up. Yo, me I talk now, because right now, I see how much picture I go up on the media with me about beat up Brit. Whoa. I sure know I'm gonna beat up Brit. If I watch the video good enough, go zoom in and look. I don't beat up Brit. Some of them I say me kick Brit and all I sitting there. I sure know I'm gonna put my foot on Brit. Brit are my friend. Brit and me alone are bigger up right through the party. She come in that party and we give her 100 respect. Brit come on stage where me at in the party after well intoxicated. Get in thing. Me don't even know if I drunk or I'm mad. She come and she start choke me up. If I suck out my mother, batty boy, she want me get the mic, and when I get the mic, she cuss be a bad word for the thing at the time.
Listen.
See me don't know what she cussing at the party. Me take back the mic and I work, cause I'm working. She come back again, they choke me up and I tell me if I suck my mother, see me grab the mic from me again, me stay so. I say alright, easy yourself. She want the mic, I say, me nah get her. She choke me again. She a choke me, so me go so boom and me say, alright, you see, if you choke me again, if you lick me again, me I lick you back. Yeah, I know me not get her 2 lick. You see me? And she come, boom, again. So me have to lick her back. When me lick her back now, it look like somebody a beat her, cause she grab on pa my shirt now, with my bag, my much $1,000 chain, she bust off, make it gone. I know me can't find it. And she grab on my bag after me give her 1 lick back. They drag me on the ground, drop herself a ground, and I try pull me down on her, all she see me I pull me. When you see me get released, I bug she bust on my bag strap on my chain and everything. And she a feel like that people them I try pull her off her hand. When I still like them, I try pull her off her hand off of me. And now the whole dance did it and she say I never disrespect her. I want her more than one time. Say, behave cool. Stop push me. Me just meet in an accident. And me just come out of hospital. I have to stand up one place on the stage. And to how she have pushed me over. She didn't even know that me I feel worse pain and even. She just stand up there so. We talk to her. Yeah. If somebody else fight her in a party, you know. But some blacker boy, choose some people in their stage when me and her in a little argument, they will put up my thing. But she listen for her life. For her life, she will talk about the people them. Seeing she attack. She not talk about on stage, somebody else violate her wicked. But the little blagger people them, where I go put up it. When she dey on stage, you know, police they right on my foot, you know. Police to say she fuck up. And the police have to take her out of the party. Rough her up. Take her the police they mean want fight. Fling off, select a laptop off her stage. Fling lick girl in the crowd. All danger dance time I lick down with bag. Take quart back, fling in the crowd, bust it on people. and a bag of thing where I tell me say no, me give her back one touch and people have video that and make she look like she a fight me now, you know. Through me touch her one time, she a fight me, a drag me down upon her. And every blogger want to run with that. You know, if you die party and witness and talk to some real people with the party. I not disrespect woman, I not woman beat, I have woman strength. Brittany, I'm a friend. Yeah.
My people, there's two sides to our story, you know. So this person give his account about a situation I can talk about. See? So watch me now, my people. See? I'm going to present another video to you. This video is going to show the person who some people call Brittany. Me understand said this video had been posted quite a number of places on social media and it's been talked about. See? And even though she seems upset and not totally okay at the time when this video was made or was done, see me? Why listen to some words where she said in other video, my people. Now please bear in mind that I can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Punch me in my eyes, man. It's nothing, you feel me? Taxi! Taxi down the road! Yo, taxi! Suck your yeah, me, bro. I'm gonna go to that place and I'm gonna kill me, sir. Yeah, don't run! Man, I got me stop, you feel me? My boy punch me in my face while I party, you feel me? Yeah, don't run! The boy just punched me in my face at the party, you feel me? My eyes green, you feel me? I need to go right now, you feel me? It's about a bunch thing, you feel me? Yeah, it is what it is, girl. I get bunched up at the party, I spend 55,000. Instead of punching me in my face. I'm gonna go to Airbnb right now, cause that way I gotta go to survive. You feel me? Yeah, I gotta go now. And tomorrow when I get on drunk, man, like, you know, I want the taxi to go down now. I mean, like a taxi, you feel me? Yeah, I'm a good man. Go tell about taxi now, please. Yo, I need to yo, go down road. Yo, go down road. Go down right now. He's not going, you feel me? Nobody's stopping, nobody give a f***, you feel me? Yo, go down road, go down road. Taxi going, you feel me?
So it's like she try to leave from that place, that area where some people set away. You know what I mean? There's two sides to a story. Two sides to a story. Some people say more than two sides to a story. More than one side to a story, eh? Alright, my people, so I am going to leave a audio with you, my viewers and subscribers. Yes, I'm going to leave an audio with you. And this audio is from a video. And in the audio, you can hear a person talk about the person who many people on social media call Brittany, or Brit. And in my point of view, this person gave an account or the understanding that the person get about a party and the person who him called Brittany. So me I say, you know, that's in my point of view. Anyways, more I listen to some words that the person said in this audio, and you can let me know what I think. And please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this audio. Remember, the audio is from a video. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Here's the audio. Listen and observe.
Party was crazy, brother, you know, say. At that party, I see everything you go on in the dark, I'm there and I say that John know that I feel a way about it, but you know, say, I see my Brit, I party and I have on the unbuckler, potato head ears. It's a fantastic story, I have on the ears them over there, so I'm look for me. and wave, I'm going to wave back, you see me? I say I'm doing thing. I'm there over one local table, this are beat some rum and start, some style, you see me? And I tell you, I say, Mama, walk off a hill. You see me? Because I play set up like, you come down one road, so you have one hill, so you have two separate lanes, you see. So we did that, I see Mama walk good in this one. Look after that, brother. So I'm up on the stage, so Mama tell the selector, say, yo, somebody take a Casamigo, dog, you see me? Somebody take a Casamigo, you see me? And that and the selector say it, you see me? Selector says, yo, who take Mama's Casamigo and so stuff. I do that, dog. 2 tools me, the dog, I say, yo, no do that again. I look and grow and look on the stage, brother. I be a head face and Mama start get, brother. And if I touch up her ear or something, dog, I say Mama drop on the stage. Somebody supposed to record it and post it, and I see it on the TikTok. Somebody post it. And Mama drop dog and then I see my bum buckle like Mama head all bust. I don't know if Mama head bust or something. But I see 4 police forward, brother. And I start haul and pull Mama dog. Furthermore, I see Mama wig gone. Mama wig gone. When I pull up Mama car, we up on the hill and I see 4 police and I pull Mama gala and Mama kick and Mama go and do a thing. You see me, Mama go and do a thing, dog. Blood off our face, brother. Catch my shirt, brother. How she go on and them a pull her goat, bro. They all did it, brother. Buckle white rum, drop off her table and mash, brother. Right as that happened, dog. I see them carry her out of the party. So they carry her out of the party, brother. On the top of the hill, they carry her. I assume so she go up the and then she just cut, dog. But I tell you, brother, I don't know if I rum make sure they go on to her what, dog. But I tell you, dog, I'm not feeling for Mama, bro. Swear to you. Feeling for Mama, dog. Man, the whole heap of tongue and lip, dog. Just eat. And then I hear some Mama way if she's supposed to if you go over painting. That I want party where they keep a pier and she's supposed to if you go over they go host or something. It's a something involved with her if you go over the dog. You see me? Look like Mama didn't even make for bother come like a straight and yard in there, you see me? But John know that I'm feeling for her, I just eat.